Hey there, folks. Got a little mail call here today. Got a couple kits here from Late Night Hobbies, aka Late Night Model Railroad, as you might know him in the chats. So over on Discord on Heath Humanity Junction channel, he had posted that he is starting to make some kits. He doesn't have his website up yet, or at least at the time of this filming here, but he said early January. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wait to post this video till then, but yeah, so he had a couple kits. He offered there on the Discord channel, and at a discount, has kind of an introductory offer for us to purchase and give feedback on. So I went ahead and ordered them. He had two different styles, and I ordered both of them. So this is them. Let's see what we got here. So we'll see here. Make sure I don't have any confidential information there. So that pops up, but yeah, so these are laser kits, wood kits, craftsman kits, whatever you want to call them, which are my favorite. So see what we got here. Well packaged. That's awesome. That's always nice. So yeah, so we got two kits here, and it looks like these are laser etched brick, which a lot of the craftsman kits that you get, you know, they're like clapboard siding or board and batten type kits. So these are actually brick, and I believe that he uses MDF, and they look pretty thick, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, so there's like two different styles here. As you can see, you know, one's a little bit, got the garage door on that side and the building there. Those are the dimensions there. 3 7/8 long, 5 7/8, 2 3/8. And this one I believe is a little bigger, which yeah. So the length's a little bit longer on this one here. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Wow, these are really thick wood here. I have yet to build a kit like this out of MDF. Usually it's basswood, and you have to use like you know, bracing and such. But I think with this style of kit, you won't need to use bracing because it's thick, and I don't think there's a chance of it warping. But yeah, so this is what I ordered from Late Night Hobbies, aka Late Night Model Railroad. I appreciate Joey. This is pretty cool. Can't wait to build it. All right, folks. It was just a quick unboxing, opening, mail call, whatever you like to call it. So there we have it. All right, folks. Be kind.